Respected Management Committee members of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Koilandi Kendra, students, parents, and my dear colleagues, a warm good evening to all. I am so glad to be in front of you now. Amidst this pandemic situation, crucial situation, BVB Koilandi Kendra is able to conduct an online fest in the name of Bhavan's Got Talent. See, it is our responsibility to keep ourselves away and keep the social distancing. So it is not possible to provide any offline platform for our children to exhibit their talents. And at the same time, it's our responsibility to keep the temperament of our children, their tremendous energy we have to channelize properly, and similarly we have to inculcate what their innate abilities they have, we have to bring it out. That is also our responsibility. By keeping all this in our mind, we decided to conduct such an online competition in the name of Bhavan's Got Talent. We provided opportunity to not only our children but also the entire society. So from various parts of Kerala and South India also we got many participants, and there were a huge number of participants in each item, and our judges, they found it little difficult to find out the first, second and third prizes among these. But anyway, congratulations for all the participants, and I must congratulate the hands behind it, that is parents. The parental effort is also commendable here, as without you it won't result in a flying color. And dear children, participation is more important than winning a game, right? And don't be disappointed. Those who didn't get prize, don't be disappointed. There are many such opportunities are awaiting for you. We decided to conduct many such online platforms, online competitions through online platform throughout the year till the situations are coming under control. And always keep healthy and stay safe. Now let me announce the result of each category. I am very sure all of you are eagerly awaiting for the result. Let me announce the first category. We conducted the competition in 4 categories. That is, first category KG section, second category 1 to 4, third category 5 to 7, and last category 8, 9 and 10. Okay, in that first category, UKG and LKG, that is KG section, the first prize, there were 3 items, that is coloring, action song and fancy dress. In coloring, the first prize goes to chest number 8, Devangana Das. Second prize, chest number 3, Gauri Nanda Deepak. And third prize shared by chest number 5 and 27, that is Devatra and Nia Jitin. Congratulations for all the winners. Hearty congratulations. Then action song. The first prize goes to chest number 41, Aditi K. Then second prize goes to chest number 38, Shivani AR. Third prize shared by 2, chest number 35 and 36. They are Dviti Lakshmi and Shiva Rajesh. Hearty congratulations. Then next is fancy dress competition. In that, first prize goes to chest number 72, Avyukt. Then second prize shared by 2, chess number 63 and 64, that is Shivani and Surya Gayatri respectively. And the third prize shared by 2, that is chess number 66 and 69, that is Aditi and Hanemya. So again, once again, hearty congratulations. Now let me announce the result of next category, that is category 2, pencil drawing, item pencil drawing. In that first prize, chess number 232, Harinand. Second prize, chess number 255, that is 255, Rida Rania. Then third prize shared by 2, Gauri B. Rajesh and Shivasurya PK. Hearty congrats. Now English story. First prize, chess number 233, Hrishika Srijit. Second prize, chess number 223, Devananda Premjit. And third prize shared by 3, that is Madhav Pulakul and Daivik R. That is chess number 238 Madhav and 220 Daivik. Hearty congratulations. Next is Malayalam story, storytelling. In that first prize goes to Agneya S. Nair, chess number 203. Second prize 253, chess number 253, Prarthana J. Then third prize shared by 259, chess number 259 and 210, that is 259 Shraddha and 210 Alina. Then English recitation, first prize goes to chess number 228, Gauri Anil. Second prize 217, Ashwin Srijit and chess number 232, Harinand. And third prize goes to chess number 246, Niranj Mohan. Malayalam recitation, first prize Veda Sumesh, chess number 274. Then second prize Prarthana J, chess number 253. And third prize shared by 2, chess number 206, Advika and 219 Bhumika. Hearty congrats. Now let me announce the result of next category, that is chess number 3. Watercoloring. First prize chess number 333, Devapriya. Second place chess number 336, Adit Krishna. And third place chess number 337, Zia Mehrin. Then English elocution, first prize chess number 333, Fatima Lulu. Second prize chess number 302, Surya Kiran, and shared by one more person, that is chess number 323, Rishnand. Then third prize goes to chess number 308, Ahan Tejas. Hearty congrats. Next is category 3, Malayalam elocution. In that first place, chess number 335, Punya S. Anil. Second place goes to chess number 305, Sachdev SR. And third place goes to chess number 306, Lakshmi Priya, and shared by one more person, chess number 322, Bhagat S. Solo dance, first prize chess number 305, Sachdev, and second place chess number 340, Avanish PV. Then light music, first place chess number 329, Yashmi Srijit. Second place chess number 323, Rishinand. And third place chess number 334, Kashinath. And shared by Srija Baiju, chess number 320. Hearty congrats. And let me announce the result of last category, that is category 4. Collage. A collage. First prize belonged to Anaushka for chest number 407. Then Bhadra, second prize goes to Bhadra 404, chest number 404. Then third place Manaswini 402, chest number 402. Malayalam elocution, first place Shreya SR, chest number 412. Second place Devapriya, chest number 401. And third place Meenakshi Anil, chest number 409. Congrats, hearty congrats. Then English elocution, first place goes to Meenakshi Anil 409, chest number 409. Then Manaswini, chest number 402. And Devapriya, chest number 411. Anchoring, first place Shreya SR 412 and second place Karthik Arun 408. Then quiz competition was also there. For that, the first place goes to Neka M Nair 406, Bhadra S second place 404, and third place Karthik Arun, chest number 408. So hearty congrats once again for the winners and also participants. Once again, I am reminding you, participation is far important than, more important than this winning the competition. Okay, and see, in this situation, we will be very happy if all of you come there, and if it is a prize distribution ceremony, but now it is not possible. So what we decided now, we will provide you a e-certificate. Okay, and so that you can download it and laminate and keep it with you. Okay, that is only possible now. And once the situations are under control, we will call all the first prize winners, and there will be a prize distribution ceremony. So once again, I congratulate all of you, all the participants, their parents, teachers, and everyone, and management committee who provided us this platform. And so thank you very much, and stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.
Good evening all. I Sajita, on behalf of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Koilandi Kendra and entire faculty of the institution, I extend my sincere thanks to Almighty God for making this online event a grand success. My special thanks to our respected principal, Mrs. Srikala ma'am, for being the catalyst that inspire us to do our best. With a deep sense of appreciation, I would like to thank our loving teachers for their untiring effort. My sincere gratitude goes to the parents. Without your support, the children won't be able to excel. Thank you for joining with us. Finally, I would like to thank the budding rock stars who make this function a grand success with their impressive performance. The hard work of your days is evident in your acts. All the performances were very good. We enjoyed a lot. Congratulations to the winners. Once again, I thank you all. All of you stay home, stay safe. Thank you.